Let me share this video, Jare. My good evening. And they open my bottle. My good evening, everybody. Cheers, guys. I don't want. I better all I say. I just want to born my 3 children. I no understand. When I say me media calm, na say me everywhere good. Na say me we dey well. Na say me we dey respect ourselves. But some of una dey fear truth. Wagi more matter. Truth go sit down, go dey look una for eye. Especially my Benin people, nizalo why you worry. Una go dey fear truth to talk am. But for me, I have been known. Eso bome na ho. Eso bome na he na ya wo e. Eso bome na ho be na ya kun e. But for me, I want to use this music to relax my head with my bottle. With my brother where they give me sense. You don't understand? I be Funasia Bruce. Funasia Bruce. Bruce Ayala. When I tell her, me tell Igbo, me come sit down here because I be my brother for inside family. He's my fellow Igbobian. He's my brother from another woman. When all day, I'm Bruce. Gbe Morocco wenu do tota. Ojegile. Gbe Morocco wenu do tota. Lolo. Gbe Morocco wenu do tota. Eket. Viogwega wenu do tota. Uwe nok be wiso. Uwe nok be win. Ade mwewe ade do tota. Wa do tota. Wa ko do tota. Wa do tama ekirona so megbevo. Wa do kama mekiremena. Ekeninyo ninyo gwega no roto na ya kane. E Monica. Uwe se lesi gwe ban. Uwe se lesi gwe na ewe. Ewe lero. Iya we no magama ban. Ogbin ahun. May I first use this a part to relax my head first. Why the music? Why the reggae continue?
Otama ekunure, etadame ina, otagagi kunure ne, ibadona me ina, otana matese, otana sizore o, otana siesare o, okake na kenesa.
Let me share the video because I need page. I know I use my page here and sound. Now I say I use it here and sound. My pass here come. You know understand? Oh, when I'm wait I see. Èmi ibùgbé ọmọ akíyàwó ọ.
Awa ye kuran, be na mi weti abo ma bagui. Ave ma venia. Nagi me kwato, nagi me kwale kwe. Iyawe mi no kai. E kwa no wepe.
Láwo wo wa ga de wa the Godfather no hu olele gbere. That na Godfather wey do hell like luxurious, one carry and follow body come. Godfather don't fair warn you before say. I hope not be waiting at the top follow you, not be so you be. Una azu of a messenger. Irie whoever marry your man, ina si wesi kekbe Godfather. Enya we ati away because ya when sunu ye ni when ya we akpek bi lo wotana. Onye na mie we mebi. Onye na mie we mebi where. Ti ma ye we ka gbagui. But since we ba me fiezo e Godfather no hu. E Godfather no hu. No hu me na ge didon na ya hu he. When na una bi amo bo. Na ya mu ikogi meseke nu gbeje. Una approve e. When he meberi when he be na besike gbe. Na when na fie ba e na no pe suru abo Godfather. E Godfather bo hu wo nu one time. No hu nu gberere logo be gbo wo han. E Godfather nu gberere logo ke, nu gberere no ki agbu e. U gberere no ki agbu e. Abe wait. Why the Morocco na wa he wa ata ole Morocco. O magere wa washawu. Ide no be nu water bai. E no be nu water bai. O ya me ko wa de ga gobo. Wa da the Godfather ni hure. Wa jalu dem yo erere nu wa mo ade na wa be yo wa gbon. E Godfather no ma set yo wa Godfather no ho ho. E Godfather na gbon gbe. E Godfather ne bu e Godfather ne hu. Wo e no mo ame. I attested that someone we no wo. Ube muzabi ube muzaka na nene se let uri ogudu do so to charge do. Where? I dey come. Man die from my bottle. Cause when you go wa won ka do adeni e ko wa won ni gbenegbe me yegbe. Ina when you go gbenegbe me yegbe ni e ko relax. Wa na wo wa ekwe we to wa si venven. But wana me akuwa ya ku be Facebook wa setting. Na no fit. All together plus together na no fit. If na fit me I run. E Facebook wa mu gboto na. Ayi go kia na. Wa mu gboto akiove. Wa mu gboto ari overe. Godfather we no hu. Unwe lo serious. We no hu. Wo mo da ni gele mi la je yimi we. We na bi akuma da me we no mo ane. Agbo epai. Gbere no ba no la we ba be gbo kan ki agbo be no ho ai. Egu di ma pe me.
Aya we mi no na. Na jo we ko no we ke o. Ono na ate. Ona o.
E Naomi. Una wuro pogo. Eni lo wadi me ro go metu. Eni lo wadi tu so una mama oge vio yiro na via de Facebook. Una mama oge, but when I go oge, am oge Facebook na amwese ma baba na amyoto ene. Una mama oge vio yiro ku we keketi. Wana mama oge vio yiro, una mo ade Facebook. It's all right.
Uno ela mamu. Me kweno na loko me ye. Niga yari apo isa o.
Negmeya Tosa. Wala Bobo. You want to talk comfortably on my own. Ogone. Ọ̀nà ẹ̀rí omi ẹ̀ wé. Ọ̀nà ẹ̀rí ọmọ bọ̀ o. Ẹ̀rí omi ó fẹ́. Fuck am up. You don't understand. If you see any back comment, fuck am up. Block your head. Make the watch, make the listen, make for the get sense. Any bad comments, you fuck am up, like. Fuck am up. Right? Orison you be ass. Orison you be nyash. You never be man. I'm like an answer by book by you on. A pepper warrior. Upon one can answer any man upon it again. I'm not going Yes. I said, what they doing? This is what we are working on. Not can go jail. They forbid peace. Monica, what to? What to? I said, let's see what was so. What to? We are doctor. What to? You are so. When you ask your way, na seti gbe na mi ame. Ruda wo abi ko ni degbe. Abi ko ni ho wa. Abi dede fi yo fi hin. Abi brother ni la ni wo ko ni ro wodo. Ruda wo abi ko ni ho wa abi ko ni degbe. Abi fi yo fi hin mama. Abi ni yeri epo ya shawo at the age of 55 years. Abi ni riagaya to ta yi pa shawo. Abi mba gborisa. Abi jorisa no vi okin faded human traffickers no vi okin ni kwale mani aka jogbian yo egbe anya ni via ole ni de ti no ya agbo ma be ni po bonu e abi juwa ni kwale keni ahan la eji ni po bonu no ya agbero be iya ri na kama we na we logo stainless ni una gele yo boss du gidi una so egita una wubu mede una gu gele eme noroto na Monica make no na kane imeri akpa no na kane imeje akpa no na kane yo sie lolo yo se we yo gian we yo se lolo yo gian lolo yo so pe yo se oku yo gian pe yo gian oku owo me wo gian eni asobo mi gba ebue e Monica what they give you my say lolo records go there with me I go use cloth take cover am auto say na wait because you be godi cat because you be godi rat I be waiting call. Who what any Mama, you wait my magic's life first. I'll call you later, I beg. You can't feel say really. They will bring all the records, can't give me. You go take my own table, you this my palo wife for the police. Why you can't go why you can't cover Now lie. Nothing like that. It not go feel happen. We wait to know. We wait to woo. They my hogu na yo wa. Iyo hu yo biegbe ni ade no when he hon in my hon Monica. Wa when you ha wo fi owa yo ha wa when he hon in my hon na yi. Awu ho wa when he hon in my hon na wa when he gwanji ni my gwanji. E record via yo me fo jararararara. E na saloko akpokpokpo bi pa aba. Ogba ya ni de ya ni de wa kama. Iya wa kama ni ade yi go gbiagbe. Iya wa kama ni ade yi go kekegbe. Ekwe giyan ni yen ni ya meladia. O ha giyan tem ni ya meladia. Ige ti ge fi wa sin ya gwa lo. Why when you wo wi adopolo na yu na mu won re ba won re ya suma gbo a. Ku wa ke wa ni le ti ni no ya me na ya gwa lo me. Ku wa ke wa ni le ti no ya me na ya gwa lo me. If you no pe na Monica we na gele ga ma gbo. Una gelega TV. Oka kenu TV to taka my sister gbonu yin ma. Ugwa wo han. Monica, let me tell you, even the fool grow old. Even mugu. A mugu like you grow old. When a mugu grow old is a mugu. A mugu na mugu no matter the age. Ozuwa no matter the age. Omo no kon even when it's 67 years omo no kon you know. Omo make you me. Monica, ozuwa you me. Ozuwa you me. Awe. What it make you feel say person go pay money say make the content insult you? I assign you one Monica. I want to rob you well. Eta wa gbogbo you wo hun. I be assign you na wa be you wa gbon. I be assign you na ya rob you well. Would anybody even pay a dime to insult you? I will not pay you when I insult you. What we got for one year? I quite can't the Morocco me for 1 month, Monica. Now what be you are? Now who's that very you are? Cannot quite come with me for 1 month. She will not dare. Or don't buy the I'm not say let's you do the smoke. I not buy for you again. Examine. What do you want? Only Morocco do you whatever no way you want to come away woman ya good ma go ahead. Ambrose, are you mad? Ambrose Ayala, are you mad? Is something wrong with your head? Or have you quit smoking? Because only Morocco and by Morocco have you quit smoking? If you haven't quit smoking, or if you quit smoking, you should let your woman know. Say that woman where they taught on your sister from another more Bruce. You want to law be. You want to be my girl law be. Who was Zagavi Papa Monica? Why can't I go ni men me yard of you where? I will pay you go as in who you be now. As in who you be. When they go pay money to say make that thing insult. Auto we say happen. Who you be? Monica, who you be? Obia do polatu who you be? What you for bleaching cream? Now they want pay for. Say they fuck your husband, they fuck another man. Now they want pay for. Say if you adultery woman, now they want pay for. Good you be bolawa, now they want pay for. What do you want pay for? Gaba shagwa for bomb, now they want pay for. I sister ni gwani be can I say care you here? Now they want pay for. Who they want pay for? Now what they want to insult? Tell me who they want pay for. When I fancy when you been nonsense in when you had any other one, nonsense no good belly as you are. Oh, when my fancy, my friend Monica lover, Mona go create account. Mona go create account. Mona go create what it. A redhead now will press. Anybody that drop a fucking comment, it will be vanished. No, let redhead now go fit press. As you get one, I go press and roof now get out. You the mad. Aga gele mie. Anyway, if you're not to your time here. Aga gele mie ye when they say let's see your live Facebook. Since I created this Facebook, if anyone, a man or a woman, have ever paid me, say take, stay less, help me insult this woman, help me insult this man, spoil in name for me, condemn in name for me, take this money, use and take buy igbo, use and take buy drink. Monica, ki make a panorama ko, e can ni biese ki ese. Okwe meri go men. A woman has never paid me, a man has never paid me to bring anybody to media. Why you bogge can I move waji via dokbolo? Who can you bogge can I move waji? Why you bogge can I move waji? I got pay me here, I got rigo me. When me, yasiona makoto, yamona makoto. Ah, a bonitia na ya fefe kenuti evi kenuti evo da over ya isomegbe. Amerigo medeni ya mokbe agboto. Amerigo medeni ya mokwe agboto Monica. Ekenu bieso ki ese. Wa ikme boge ke na mo waji. A Bruce no via jala me boya guju ewe. Okia me boya guju ewe. Okia me boya nwa yu ewe. Wa me boya se you no se ki etoa. Wa me boya you no se ki Bruce you no se etoa. Ya gwa mi no wo wo ka go wo e. Because that they give you money. Make the rubbish people name. That they tell you say they want to give you position. Avis when you via ole ya when wa gbero we. Avis when you via okay ya we oh no. I no. Iya when ya we ya ladia. Iya when wa gbero we ya na akpenu ya when wa gbero we no se ro we koto. That they hide yourself. They pay money for super chat, they hide their dirty. They pay money for different corner, they hide that. No, let me swear with whatever I can swear with. Because it done too much. Any small thing they give money, they give sellers money, 50 euro may they buy Igbo. Any small thing they give sellers 50 euro may they buy Igbo. Any small thing they don't give them 50 euro. Any small thing they don't give them 50 euro. If anyone, no children is keeping out of it. If German not be money, money on area because it cannot be cannot be all the money area here. Any small thing don't pay sellers money. Who they pay money to insult you? Monica want pay money make they insult you. Be that person. Ete wag gbogbe you wo. I wag gbogbe you wo. I wag wow face to face. I wag gbogbe you wo. I rob your well work with it. I don't worry low well work with it. I may pay you job. I ask Sajo. My government stay less to beat me. Pay me to beat you. As in. Pay me to beat you. Pay me to beat you as waiting. Una know say not the YouTube matter they play. But when it comes to this, I use my own. You do remember it. Opega rigo me. Okona rigo me. We say less in me. Me. We say the no ya rovi Monica. Me. Guve ya gbe Monica. Me. You wag be say. E Monica yo pa one man. Oyeva one man, Orio Mobo, Orio Mogwe, Orio Iwu, Orio Ijeje, Orio Isakwana Gyomo, Orio Abiona, Otto said that Aqua Agualo, Uga Lene, and Namega Lene Monica, a Wuga Lene Monica, and I Galerigo May when the Yarovi Monica. Keke ya fe mama Magmoya Yama. Oh ya mama son ya mama van. Oh me baby no kan me. Oh titi. Oh titi so ba titi so wo. Amerigo me ye. Amerigo ma mene siame we se lesi mie. E denu ya gume rovie Monica. Oh mie. E denu ya gume gbelolo. Monica. E ke no bie so ki a ese. Wa yi kpa bo ya geke na mo wo je ni time so this time fan. E ni time ya bia yore. Inya we. Em no doma sa ya siame ori. Em no doma se. Aya si don too much. It don't too much for this woman. Any small thing they don't pay her money. Any small thing they don't pay her money. More when not 20 vie hoa. More when if you ho way vie more when hoa. More when nak bogboa. More when you clock no man negbe. We are see you egbe na vie. We mercy ma. Ese lesi ma no no ya zo se wo. E ma mo ya zafo mi ya wo he. E ma re wo ye recording. We na so we fi recording na we recording na we Latin tagbo. Ina be ri hu e na Latin tagbo se lesi ma re ya reva. Imami adeba mama wati be ni taya ma bi mo be pe recording ni. De unza wa ke wa ni unza ne. Kere. Ku we ke gba nu kere ku ne nu kere ko kwara nu kere ke Monica no tun. A wa ju unza ne. A unza wa kin. Why would I short? Oh man agbo make mema mo. Me when Monica dey condemn me na no get pikin. Una that why they pay me the money? Who be this idiot where they write this comment? Take him out of this place. Who be that person? Why they write this comment? Say why they saw children? And Monica got say whatever agbene yo igbo smoke ole Morocco wa agbene rubbish. I got say ma do wa begbe. I got view or not do wa begbe. What go do wa begbe? Why the pepper una for body? Why una the verse? She be una the endurance. When it comes to sell una sabi do super chat. When it comes to sell una sabi carry the matter here. Ama so ne sell se view sere. Ama ye sell se ya gona ye sell se ya nyan ye sell se ya bog bewe. If you se gba. But they say let's say I go do wa bi ho. Wa ma emie. Nyo we si okome na ni aba be kon de we Monica. When you yak your way yak your way be ya. Uwu meti bo physical o saloba we no go ogbo saloba when you are. You think I don't know you? You really think I don't know you? Like seriously you think I don't know you? O saloba when you are devil. O saloba when you are devil was upalo. Girl, if you carry and face me, I go carry and face you. Those time has gone. When I go say let's don't do, I go carry my hand fourth eye. I go pretend like say, Rudono now because of this one, because of this one, oh because of this one, oh because of this one. Fuck everyone. You will not dance with my name and tell me not to rant. You will not dance with my name and tell me to sit my ass down, make a clap for you. I'll wear who you be. Anyway, nyase, my way make beneviku so banoki, o man down a than the boy of bue. Oh, bue. Usungu. Waho wa wagbon. Anyway, I fe. Anyway, I fe ya suma na vieke. Kuwe kabi joue. Kave rani. Ke godfather we no wo. Ni we ni le ton no ya su me baby. Uwa ya lesa me samerie. Uwa ya lesa me samerie. So ku ina imu ikowe. Ina imu ikowe to ta dokpa. Ina we demi na we Monica wa agbe ta mu onhuria ta mu epeji gboto demi na we ina esuma dada we yeye e bo ya fefe ni tie ya fe e ya igume vie e ya gbogwa me na vie ivi enya iya wo egbe iya segu sagbada veri mana zi yo wo ge dan ya mekena na ninye we ibe kama we ga no ninye we ge ma ninye we o ala ju wa ri go ni meni me ya rovi we when I go na be ya rovia when I get gbegbe yo I pay go na ya rovia pa no ri we yo wa ama wo gwa na go bi when I pay go na ya rovia ama we menese sa do ri go ni na awo pa ka no ri go la ja we gu me wo na ni oje ri la ja be da ni be pastor ogweri eri go meni ya rovia style ma we oje be ni la ja bi wo ya ma so that one no like the Facebook now we say let's I pay you money shut up when I go your comment section and I don't pay you money me tell the short Monica. Oh, well, don't pay money until you saw this person. Write it here, let me see it. Write it here. Boyema. Nan gume bege. Bon la dia. Buri go mene. Ni ya ro yo na ma. O mu go mene. Aru opa no adaze no gwa he no. Uwa wi meje wa no la lori so me go kia. Uwa je na wi meje wa no lori so me go kia. Oh, pana uswami sama gwa no vio ki awosu pa lo no ha gin ave fesi ala din dagbo. fake accounts, create 100. You are a leader of cowards. Monica, I still let's say so. You are a leader of cowards. A coward doesn't feel here. You are a leader of cowardice. If they bought them well, make them shake their motherfucking fake content in sustenance. Aga bien ravi jouer ma. Rien ravi jouer la dia, gbani wala dia. Viens gbe wala dia, bring yourself presently. Bring your face come at the face in la dia na. May you content insult me. You are a leader of cowardice. A leader of cowardice with him. Mona go create 100. Mona go create 1 million. Facebook wa ya logo. Wa so gbenu we fi kenu fi ye ke kenu fi oda. Wa so go se kenu meje Monica. Una wa nya we ni yakin owo e. Na me wo he me recording ni. Na me ho yan ta ma we yan fi ogun me na we pe e. Why come me winere? O ma fo ye wa pa ikari go me ni ya rovio. Ni ya rovio. E we keti o. Nika me post of you dana me go be do pologa to ari. Me post yo. Eke to la rogun meta ma we my sister. Mama Facebook ina awala o se. Mama Facebook ina awala o sa to tase. Ana what take we presenter although say we are not presenting anything than rubbish. What take we presenter what total presenter say. No na I ladia kan ye the record why kokok me kokok na ko jave you wa hu wa kokok ma kokok wa kokagele wa kokotota e record ya hu ina be tie we weti gwa le record ni akpe e fe te ketita gwa be you are kids for you to use that your mouth talk out today say at the fine record ina we wa mu mi a imuni nyago imuni nyago gwa we sure go mu market ulada no do afi pe ga wenu fi nyago ga na wonu na wie ka wonu pe lada na mi wa ho rudi tama we wa fana be wa go ma onu pe wa wi nyago ga no tabu wa puse wa ga no we beta ko e polo so wo so no ma na onu pe egbe dana kan we una rule mu ya block me be phone why block me wona edemu e no bu wa be deres la ketia e fe no ba wa be deres la your phone no ba de ba igbo if you no power with there is la, obey them again. You raise not the best fitter girl. Sit down there. If you not get anything we want to do for Facebook, off your phone. Look for something there to present. Stop interfering for people matter. We feel the records of you like that. When you make you were right. Ask me Sharon, I saw you Sharon. Why some will call this your table because you don't use your mouth to talk nonsense. Because you don't use your mouth to talk about a busy, you know what complain come and I make an no tell you where. Why go to one record? One account to tell the 30 people where sit down there. The Monica can mu here your mohu. One account to tell the 30 people where sit down there. What is the meaning of all this? What is the meaning of all this? I want na mi go hog no, on a go hog no, on a go hog no, not pa go hog no, wa go hog. Why na go hog? Inyo gwa no wa na ha no wa deji wa pe no wa simi no wo wa ya wa de wa kan no ni simi wa so wa simi no wa wo wa pe na go hog. Inyo gwa no ma na ha ri talatia wa tala no wa me record wo wa mo re na da tag e ho ga ho ge asa wa ma pe o ma si ba me ama we se lesson na you come go eh. Ya masiba maguna you come go eh. De na keke wo wa na no mage o hon lo wa mage wa pe ladian. Na na do ya gwa le stele se ke no to ta joge. Megi wa hu. Megi wa hu. Megi wa hu. Ulaja no do afi ogwega. Do wo gwega ni ga mu no ga desogba. Me here. Do wo gwega ni mu no ga ti oba meji. Na na desogba o mage ahe. Do we ha ni ma mage ahe. Presenter, you are presenting my beggar. I'm hungry. Presenter ni toge. Liars. Pretenders. What is all this one? Oh my daughter, when you le, why don't you make a new ledge? Why you know we go here? Do I feel gwega? O gwega denyagboa, o denyagbo ti oba meji. Efeti pe eketi terminumia, oba meji, o desogba we Monica gbo odugbobodo. Wo ga desogba because we mi ro akara. Why ve ro akara keti? Wo daddy, wo recording yan. And Naomi told a war record day. Not by told a war record day. What got this up by we gonna go feel the do my beg anytime away? What got this up by? Because Waro Ahara. Wevero Ahara. One name in Numia Magweta Ladia. Ukata we yenigi tana gi eteme down we I don't want ya pushing any head up pay upa o mak pay obi e record one of there is like the bible una the buy weed una nonsense una talk about weed which when we go one pay anybody house rent una record one pay anybody one pay anybody water bill una record one pay anybody any ticket lare e social media na gbegwewo Nori ne who voris our because no make bam ari ma the Facebook in error. Everybody don't beat people. Make bene wegbene. Ubumu who record on Ladian, but you know ya tell Ladian. What kind of a liar are you? We have a present here. E do we to ya present we won egua. Me won the beya even the babu who down no we won egua. Me na go nonsense. Oh na egua my sister. Man you na wajena agbegwewo agwata Ladian that dog ya amenwe. What is all this? See they bring all this nonsense. If you na hear wetin Naomi talk, if you na hear wetin Naomi talk, if you na hear no beg you go kwa euro. Why beg wa ya iwe. Ovi he ye nwe. Ovi he ya kara. Ro akpiko ge Naomi. Why beg wa Oni no bia wa na go mo na emu. Ga gbon ga emi ni. Na be ma na lene e do okpado na me bu na so ndia na ege ne bu ni na duna e bu no la to gbekie e da na so na omi oto no gbe ono ona no o he yo enwe o he yo iro o he yo ao o ye puko o go ya ewe o go ya grab Odo aye baba wonge na baba sama go abi kekere go do gbon to ya gwalo me keni to taji aka mu gwe kinyo gwe go keni asikeni je ibon mi yawa ni ya gbale moroko ni sie mercy whether go help me I go smoke all of na mercy whether go help me wa me na wa tu I'll player. I'm not a player. I want player. They say make I not player. They say make a player. They say make I not player. I go player yours now. If you use verse me, I player yours now. If you use verse me, I player yours now. Wa so wu. Na be ne kuemu. Aba yu wa wo jegile. Aba wo konsude. Aba ne kuemu. No me na me go get to ge yo iro. Ge won ebudu. Wa fe won no oge. Wa pe won na mi no oge. Ah si mi vie na ya yo oge breastfeeding ya. Aba ho oge dan. Ah wa na ro. Gumeta mawe. Ah si le ran si liri aka. Wa si le ran si liri. All the name say you want to get supporters. Wa si li we si li samagwo si be godogbon. Wasi lo meme sile iko wasi li yon si lo meme sile no wasi lo eso robona ona igada we bona ya ruwe kwa obonokpa ojo doja nokpa igada mu do ruwe kwa odia o de manja una fi so na the rain I think say you see go school meto we be je school we be jo my sister school teacher not teach you as a math person you are not a good student alone you not reach for class Umate bebe class yeye. You know it for class. Eya wa robo ya rowe yo we. O ha igwa igwa. E ken wana gwa ha gwa. If you talk now they come say hey supporter don dey beat am. Speak up. If you be say na la people take gather body, release the come and make na go oge yaki. Akebe ya work you down for the second time. Emi gbu egbe. Who give a con. Ai. This say Morocco ya we. You are a muggle. Wako kiya yake. I don't love the way they path follow na most of them fake account. Wa make gbene yake de wa ma oni ya wa ma kwara ya. Wako yake ya. wa kun oki ukwozu palo ukwono paku ko ni degbe yo boge wodo okwa we human trafficker yo boge wodo we wa we kwa wozu palo wa kun we oki wa kun meme wa kun oge wa kun kekena wa ma ukwo ya kia ukwo azen ukwo ya u dey pack all of them dey follow body dey go you dey pack all of them dey follow body dey go you fuck up why buya go under they threaten you I will go busy for Facebook. I got busy for Facebook. I got busy for Facebook. Who do I say? You know they call it. You know they call it. You know they bring you over the corner. That they give you body hits for one corner. Fuck them up. If they want to support you, they support you. They don't want to support you, let them fuck off. Whoever that want to be your supporter, let them stand by you in terms of good and bad. If they don't send for you, they don't know fuck them up. And I will say, let's see, ma. That yeah, that they say me are not good. Say let's not get friend. If you ride on me too much, I'll fuck you up. I'll fuck you up. Now street with you, I'll fuck you up. If you be say you can't be my fans, you want to tell me what to do and what not to do, I'll fuck you up. I'll change your reggae too for you. Before you use me to shine, I go use you to clean your shit the way by Morocco. See it? I'll smoke you off. What queer? They pack all of that they go. While do a free when everywhere you are, you know say everywhere not good. Because I say let's say everywhere good. You know say everywhere not good. Who go la no support you, where support you. No again to support you, where to support you. What do time Monica Maita? Why do time Monica Benue Maita? The young way ever my you na my hona. On a sort of not your big bay. I will wear Yaweka, not by one up by Yaweka, not by one up by the mama, not by one up by Madame Mama, not by what you're not by what not by what dressing. Then my Maita, American hona, and they support us walk back at the town Hana Mue, Nuhana Guya. They don't talk to like for your platform. They don't talk to a dogger. E Monica book by your own hop weather. A wall lay on a walk book by your own. On a word of your work. I know said that go don't beg now, mommy la yeki la wo. No said to the beg now they had la wo yeki la wo forgive me. Oh book by your own. It's so tough whatever. I wanna body say a cockpa. Oh gweta. I swallow something for your matter. They say you go school. Your teacher is a mugo. I go school. I'm an educated woman. I'm an educated woman. And I know my purse. I know my level. I know where I belong to. And I know where I am. I know what I am. I don't support you so young. And the packer other worker. What you talk? Oh, bitch, come on for Facebook. Monica will laugh you. Monica will laugh you. They will shame you. You support I go shame you. If you down. Yeah, brother will be okay. Wama gwa roll for them. If they want support you, may they support you. Anyone will not there with you, may fuck off. May fall out. Who na help? Not be viewers. Why you beg one of here? Make people park on. You know, cause you be mele. I don't know your lads when we were women man. I saw to shit myself. Ya me no me second je talaja. No me second je ko ya no mo diage. E lo mo diage o wana kedo direct me take ni abie. Direct me take ni abie. Aya gwa lo me. Inyo gwa go ye na second me je me igwe ya imie. Ya imie we ha. What you smoke? Why go have this kind of thing? Igbele kwa. Oh yeah, way that don't get wrong way. What the concern says there for the matter safe? Nya omuwe. Aye right up here threatening you when I go momo. At your age, you say you don't cross 40, you know your time. At your age, because you won't get fans. Come here, till you don't get fans. If na 50, if na 100, now you don't get fans. That 100 then, anywhere where you did, they will follow you go. Anywhere where you stand, they'll follow you stand. Anything where you share, they'll follow you back. You see those millions where they follow you. Some of them want to see how you want to end. Some of them want to see what you are capable of doing. Some of them want to see what is she up to? What does she get to offer? Ya wakpe manu yuke. Dia wo eje. Ani ya ni support money katin ari awon ya le. E hagi ya comment. Ya comment wa ya. But they like to the comment wari o ma mere. They come they clap for another person matter. They go they clap no son o mevo. Ave ju ave mom you ave twenu. Meme he ya. Well of course we give he so wo. Even he so wo. Iya re wo ya le they hide their face. The way they go see another person matter come. Yeah, I tell you 1 billion. Yeah, 1. I got penue. No ya better. But I said, yeah, you go ya cover up. Yeah, you go ya cover. Yeah, you go ya cover. You wanna me mega denya me akai. Gumeta ma o ne matter. Je de no zaga fuck you. Any gathering where there is no truth, the day where that gathering they collapse, now disgrace they end up. One more group no why create one create a motivational speaker is Zazaga la wagbe. Any bunu why kie is Zazaga la wagbe. Then wa ma kie. Dekin wa ma mugbo. Do one wa ma ewo. Eto wa deki your boss ye rowa. E ma ni ma ne gbagbo wa dem. Wa do 12 euro wa ya mo 70 euro with your Facebook. Ya we go wa do because they like you. Not that they are stupid. They say they stupid though. Ya man na ya da mi ye Wali Express. Ya man na ya da li we wish. E sera mato we la dono we vie maka no me negbere na we go na we bun asimi na ya make na laso eni abot ya kra na we me ya kra na gwere ya kra na she do me lare gbagbe me relax on my matter unwo we no adota e Facebook na money kana your boss do da una nwa me una nwu na nwe me una ri ohun da to na so pukoi uwe tu ya mu ya nwa me uwa me to be Netherlands na uwe ti ga yin o wi ga yin me bai wo asiwo gwa ya wani asiwo gwa na iwe wani asiwo gwa na ebu aza ogbe ye bo deji tell me I tell you ebu aza ogbe iye ran ye egbo to iye ran deji ye na bata uwe me no whoever want not my girl. Now what I choose? Who want me to want me dame? Who want me dame? What do you want me? What to Tanya? Una ngorisa wa kwere. But at the land now. Ure London, Ure America, to you as you go wa. Ure London, Ure America, to you as you go wa. To your asa. Osaloba wo memene ogaza mu megbi ye not judge yes usi awon no yaka me go wa me no bageti tie what nonsense owa pay many me ya robi we na ge gbugbe yo if you away agogo akpe the dance arobi selese away the sobobo Eno wajewe na if you know what is good for you, start thinking about yourself. Emani kwenu eni buro wodo ya ene gbiyan wodo ya je. Iye ma leru ne fa no ron we run ya. A wa be you are. Wo no leso me ha ene kia. A wa be you are. Say let's go dey talk, you go dey talk. Abi aswene seles uvi agun uvi anya. Uvi amonu ne agwan le ni blast seles. Dem pa no water me seles no gbe megbena. Imukpa hu wa ya fefe ne Facebook. Imabega no masengo. No vie maseme no ti wa maseme makpo. O makpo. No wa dazen ya wa mukpa hu wi je wa me no ho wa go. No we big man ye ki wa mukpa hu je wa me no ho wa go. Wa mukpa ga dafian wa me ne gbe magba na wo. Wa mukpa ge wa mukpa gi wi yan wa me na o magba mo we. They no ma wona. They no ma wona. Who better pass who? Now who better pass who? Wanna keep me come off on a matter. Because if you invite me, I go stand here well, I go follow now up. I swear down. If you invite me, I go follow now up. I swear down. Anything wanna take coming now, go tell us now. Monica Rema because you made that say ye. O salopa when you ho. Kamo salo boy we selesi we talk ya o. You think say me no know you. E manu ati mu ku ati mu. O ma be ni meje. E manu ku ati mu ku ati mu. E manu aseti totanya ku aseti totanya. Aga wo a, u ga ya be ya kemi. Ya zinya izebe. Ya zebe na me ya me yoko. Ugwenene. Look pa mo were. E ma what? There are presenters that will lick your ass. Not somebody like me. Not a person like me. Not a person of my own kind. Agwa wa. Ama no we say no ma gbese ye gbegbe yo. Ya gwa wo boru eva we say no we na ma no. Ama no we say no ma na ria na we na ria e. Ibu eva se kin. Wa we say mo na dia se we je ya kan we. Of course. Wa ga be rabi juwe me ni he me we wa ga do na ki. Ya me se ke nu jene. Eri ya na ne se le se ria mari na ne se le. Ma da to gbo na de mi wa bola we gbori e me shut up. Agwa be rabi juwa. Why can we can we jegile dan? Why can we can we? Amusi dance yo mara zugu. O ma we na yaki ogo me. O ma we yaki ogo e mi no ma kan we na yaki ogo no mu yere wagbon. No mu yere buenya. Na mu ye ni si ku ne se ma ku yo won. Why can we na jena? Iya gbene ni la jama me ni me ba. You did see my name there. I the matter contact concern me. The audio not reach my phone not talk concern not player. Why can we? Why I am go back? Why were you shouting my name? Why were you shouting my name? For what? Woman no ora palele wagbina. E lolo ayi say ha wegere, wa go testless. Opa ika ha wegere, wa go testless. Ona ha wegere, wa go testless mama we wagbo mu yere. Ayoyo wa no mama. Ayoyo wa no mama. Ebu no vi wan go. Ayoyo wa. O vi go dan. Wa ri go na no ya mama gboto. Wa ve mi no ya mama gboto. Iya we mi no kwo wo ka go wo ewu. Daro paro no epe me ore comment na. Dep supporter ga ku rigo me na we ni ka ya rovio. Gboye ma. Utamame no utamame you remember me gboye ma. Write it here, put it here on the comment. If you have ever paid me to insult anyone on Facebook or thank me, say thank you for insulting this one on Facebook, write it here. Gboye comment in mana. A COVID-19, everybody they do give away. A lot of people also support you during the giveaway time. Support. A lot of people supported you to do giveaway. Everybody heard it when I said thank you to her. Everybody heard this when I said thank you to her during the giveaway time. It wasn't because of you. Why can't we? Why can we gile nendalazi? Why can we? Ojekia. Why can we no na yere ki ogome? Amusi dan ye we gbo mami no yasie. Oboya gbo wo hu mami no yasie. O se gbe me wa anya. Because nya kan mo be mo se leso ki aseti gbe. Na ti wa si ko gbo ma si ko gbo wa gun. Ku wa ko tun no gbaro tun ni. La ro hu wo ne godfather. Wa gbe ne gbo e je gbe. Wo ne godfather gbe ne gbo e je gbe wa me gbe me ni patare yen doji ma be wo e o. Unwe lo serious unwe mego. Gbe ne gbo ye gbe patare yen doji ma be wo e o. Uno value he. Uno mu hijeria. Gbe ne gbo ye gbe ni patare yen doji ma be wo e wa won ni we. Iye moroko ya inya we. Iye ngo ya inya we yere ya inya we. Gbe ne gbe wa je gbe ni patare yen doji ma be wo e o. Iwa inya we. Iyu ya fefe ni sigada bo ya inya we. Uno zada. Uno sigada bo. Gbe ne gbe wa je gbe o. Gbe ne gbe wa je gbe. Okpanuwe pusima nekwemu wale lugba buku kan ya mu were wa go ya mu were position e godfather agwale na ya gbe godfather be do set wa do ya over Facebook na gwa be you awagbon e ku we kan ya gbe ma ke godfather no sungu gbe ne gbe wa ye gbohun wo gbe ne gbe wa ye gba ko so mule kan to we ka rusun no ka ko so mule kan o ki se gbe o ya over no sungu wa gbon no mu yere ni ye no so mule mu gbu e gbe ne gbe wa ye gbe o e godfather de gbe wa le me do kan we wa tama we o ka kan we kan wo kan like I go use your respect ta igbo wa le gbe wa le o wa ko wa le gbe wa le ze ene wa ya nya ni wona ya wa ya e de gbe don't you ever iye wu mo boy not know that page me don't you ever dare it where you ya asu ye ni we nya gan wa ni ge no asset you ri wa le o no gbere no le wa ba wo kan ne do gbo be gbe no won u gbe o unwo uno sigadabo uno zaguwe uno mama Uno gbekure. Pussy breaker. What me nine? Stay away from me. Stay far away from me. I'm just trying to add my own madness for one corner. Make una not invoke am. Stay far away from me. Stay far away from me. Officer negbe time and not the look person face. Stay away from me. Pussy breaker. Uno zagwe. Watu. Anya, Godfather. Kuwa kimwago agbosho mo le wedere. Agona gbe Godfather fo. What do you do for Facebook? What am I here? I don't know all of them. Wanna continue confessing. It's time when we block a page, we was told I don't know your huko. It's time. Now when we block a page, we was told I don't know your huko. We must all done. Igba wane niya. Godfather no unwo. Wa so. Riwo wale ni moto e do lobo aparo. Wa gbe o. Ovingo. Wa gbale connection le ya kan no make na ameni. Ngwa ne gwale ni. You only net to your head a pussy breaker. And your back cannot fit a boom wedding a pussy breaker. A Godfather back here ene. Wa we munya on Facebook or na neck but Facebook I said in growth. Wa so. Egbe wo kana do our computer lesson. Egbe me we na our computer lesson. Try it again for the second time. Then I say as fast then we again I use another crook take on for the second time. Godfather no work better. Wa so. The one had that your head. Unegwe face cap. Unegwe face cap. E ma na face cap because we wo. Enye le go e for your sofa. Unele face cap. Ruwale. Ne do akwa le face cap by force. Head your head. Overhead your head though. You dey mad. You just say Facebook be like two where they fuck. You just say Facebook be like two where they fuck for Jerusalem, go they fuck for Egypt. Facebook not be two where they fuck. Facebook na another area. Na another zanga where be everybody they mind their business. Stay away from my matter Godfather. And agbu e dey agbu e Facebook. And agbu to your dey agbu to your Facebook if you don't stay away from my issue. If you don't stay away from what concerns Stainless, you will regret knowing me. I'm telling you, useless Godfather, you will regret knowing me. Stay away. Back off. I'm not be that to where they fuck. I'm telling you. Stay away. You dey mad. Yeah, Godfather. When I get to your window, who we Facebook when I do that, me can do over. Ah, work by. Uwo. Mpion. Mfion. We do kitty. I ati e Godfather we do agwaye mo ma Facebook. E politics you te wo gunwaji. U ke politics ipasa gari u. O ri menon se menon manise. Oh view pussy Godfather. Stay away from me. Far away. Far away from me. Otherwise, you not gonna like her. You see all those small rights up on the right, not they move me. You not gonna like her. What the maybe passion, maybe a passion right there, not me gusu. What the maybe a passion, not me gusu. Uma who no man benefit local. You know as at the top, so if you dare they listen to me, what bear you are going. Uma who no man nek benefit local no via imana. He who one man nek ben reform. Ina filu wakwa. You know. Even kakana our payment in get we jerry uje. Una zuwa the messenger. What did they tell you about me? What did they tell you about me? If you don't stay away from me, I will let you know what they tell you about me. I will let you know what they tell me about you. That you are an asshole. That you are a vomit liquor. That you are a bush idiot. Stay far away from me. Stay clear from my matter. I know well. Guy, listen now. I not send you. Likes. I not send. If you match my life, you go regret them. If you match my life, you go no my yabo. Try it again because now we work by Facebook here. I know you work by Facebook here. Try it again. Try it with me again when luxurious. No boy pussy breaker. Try it again with me. That bed down. That bed down. Reason this can matter with me again. Reason this can matter with me again. You go regret them. I swear to Jesus Christ. Wagena ya we ya gbe boy. No agena ya we ya gbe karate. Ya we ya gbe Morocco isia. Ni that do I come. God idiot. I go use it take but mess whether you go hide me. I swear down. The day you go mash my lie again. I go use it take poly mess whether you go hide me. No reason me oh. Stay far away from my matter. Yala luhi akia. Uso wana we holy road ya ka muse yo egbo ma mewi hu. Yala luhi akia agba be yo agbon. Yala luhi akia. Yala luhi akia la lo se keneje because me eke wu we ayo begbe. E no ko no so we platform ijore no. Awu eke wa yo bokan wu wa yo begbe. We eke wu wa yo begbe wa mi we meme. You dey craze. You want me to reason your matter, just the matter with the board. The man. When I made the 200,000, I don't have a horror. You are a fool. Stay away. Shifts. You don't understand? Shifts. Just shifts. Because you're not going to like her. Rubbish. Ame mane nena musidan yo uni mami no yasin o se gbe me wa anya sele they worry you una are you work be Morocco wa ha nonsense people come talk anyhow say they pay to insult you as say you be human being we no your begbe ayoyo wa be asani wona ya ro ayoyo wa na gbore mi beg busy for house when pikin we dey belle dey see say peace for house the cause pay for money me tell the third person say you peace for house you are idiot you be can you imagine this solete person you cause pay money come tell me say abeg take this money tell this woman say you don't peace for house when the pina for fuck up Pina fuck you up. Pina fuck you up. If I fuck you up, your shit for body. When I Chris, if I fuck you up, your shit. You go be like film. Why about that? Or why double pioto? Forget me, oh. Forget me. La why let ya so boy here. O be dey wa kala no wa de ora egboy ya imi wa gbon mo ke amu ja ko meme ya be black and white make na reset ni jewo me ma fresh ifu ani o god don what else na mo na stay away from you na do me de ni abia relebo ya ka na de ni abia ka mo bo we no ka bo kan we say let's say akin abia no make na wo de na obia awo wa so tin wo we ya zo we ya gbe mo ko ma na ha me ya igbo efo I go use my wish to tie but if you not have me I go to beat you. It dey craze. Eketie emi asobo wa mana mi oto la your Facebook ire. Why be re mi ade boss one ke akpopo we. I swear down you ya ta. Emi asobo wa mana mi oto fuck off. Just go. Come out. They go. Ah who we do some an matter. No come they come here come they cover one thing because you say you don't talk nonsense. Just shift. Push. You don't understand? Push. Wagata be no ya sunu. That dog no ya sunu. She can't nonsense be all this one. This guy, I say, you not say. Who work when my honey? Oh, man, not going your big. Oh, man, not going your big. Why say tell me why my wagmo? One big congratulations or my name, why was it? All no bless you. And I will go here for Buwa in Jesus' name. Why was it? Huh? Thank you, my dear sister. Thank you, Jare. Why not born for old man? Like Ogomba. wa gbeyegbe we gbe do ti ogun ogun ba wa mi na e do ja me ju we platform e o la o me o se ke na be no old man na be na nyogma ma yo ba wa ari we down we old man re wa be ke me ke mi opa abi na nyogma ma yo ba wa we down we old man re we na kun mi na wa we gbe me ba wo ni la o me o la for me o la for me abeg o hey join the right congratulations na wetin dey important for the matter abeg mo no use una nonsense take stress me o my boss wey get brain fit give me 1 week rest na make me dey house dey relax I for suppose never come back from work man no use my matter take stress me o mo na yo let me dey my day like this o mo na free me o mo na free me I no send them make dem go talk oge ima na omi ima we ma egun ade ma be keti ma be te be egun ade dey na be ti oni be no ni lawogo iyan be Monica sunu ni iswe ni me bodo we na be platform ge me na ya kan me he wo ma kan we my sister oya me be ti oni ga be ti e cause me ri wo ni be kin iwe no ni ya I ga be ti e afono si kola na why can me kan ya o ti concern matter where I no know one no two when you don't content they rob me for where I sit down put the ask mother that I'm more review me if you know you know target ni area ne when man what to target ni area ne mota yo unu abi ma water when ni me carry ane where the gbedo mori abanoje o my water mota ya abi wa ma review target ni area hey mota abe mo na let me dey where dey o when I let me suffer to enjoy myself like this me just man dey click ball when I free me o Monica back off from my matter because this time around you not go like am you not go like I'm telling you stay away as you get your lovers you get your supporters you say you be winner stay your lane come on half from my matter kadwa de me so ni we kadwa do magboya here wa gwa de stay less here e me so ni we kadwa do like you as when you we e be like say na my name dey give you injection na my name dey motivate you if I not mention your name not dey get swagger what you concern you obi pe ni we so ni you know we kan ni we na se iye ko gbe ne gbe meje ya here o mo so gwa le se less e dey obi gun la jo we una we gbe ni mejo ina we se gbe ma we gun if matter up we go dey use and take the family dey go stay less I go buy baby things for you thank you darling thank I'm boma so am gifts in the Facebook in it ma gbidios la wa se mi an o wa gun me ko wa enjoy ni bia be Nigeria ke do bia ka bia gen agegbe ko me be Nigeria wa be Facebook do ya popo mo risama wala wo jo do te were ma ije bogun ne mo na let me dey my day o stay away from my matter o na do make me ko be board wa gbe karate be Facebook just let me dey my day o let me just suffer dey my jejeje as I dey like this la one be congratulations mona fair ways I fit decide tomorrow go do abortion mona your fair way first because you got my head the day why bui my fair reason na first but like this it don't dey only 2 months and 3 weeks 2 months and 3 days na doctor tell me day for yesterday day for yesterday when I go check am maybe before the 3 months na fit change my mind I feel just change my mind no verse fair way first my first take decision I never take decision the decision never too clear. But the congratulations, I accept them because I get belly. You know, see my breast now, say I don't fresh. See my, they fine. If I get belly, so I they fine like winch. If I don't born, see ugly. But wait first. You should be saying I not try am. Na bet now we work with those you know. I say me let me take the decision first. Now by first. I beg. Please, mona tell that woman. Mona, you know, see, I must. Should be your own. So please, mona tell that woman may stay clear from me. May she dey where she dey, may pack well. I believe say most of una will be support and they watch like this will be fans. Mona tell her may she dey where she dey. This record where they share they go, where they say they read they go. My name not dey. E not dey my phone. Not talk or say I not play am. And I don't want beg anybody. May the same record come for me. I will not beg for it. Never. Imi ojo ibe imi we la we keti send e meni ala o nwe ri mo ya pe la o ita wo send e man wa send e me wa kan me mo woni ya de wa kama mo woni ya de wa kama so please o mona let me take time take the decision for this thing with this my belly before I call am pikin o mona just for leave me o mona so for leave me myself just dey my day like this o My brother, not the man person with the way the maneko, neither is the way boo. I know one of maneko, while we get one clear, no, while we get all close here, by force. It be an emotion may have him. So, no matter of decision, it's a matter of decision. Now, what I would think, where? I bet you one baby things. Never start to the order. Never start to the order. I may not go spoil your money. So I wait first. Never start to the order. When we say let's move a warrior, my first by April now, I'll come cross 3 okay ha. If after that okay ha, look and if I look and say yes, say let's banasa or banasa. If I look and say let's not banasa. You can ya scatter, daughter you finish it. So never sole. I beg, don't rush me. So please, Ayo, stay away from me, Ojegile. Stay away from me, Lalo, please. Don't be by force to get fans, so. Don't be by force to get supporters. If you get the ones where say they want to control you, they want to tell you how to live your life, how to run your platform, please keep them off and continue yourself. Keep them off. By force. Not be by crowd. Now those that can defend you, that matters. So if you can't be the one wearing this, I bet leave me. Why not drink? May I come because of what happen? Now this, if this one not going to stay because you know you go blood, I go if you are please I not go hospital now. You want be? I bet leave me. Guy, I work balo ya be meha. Not be they no free meal. If this one say you not strong, rich. All the menstruation there, you never even get decision. So you all let me do my deal. You all let me, man, they do my thing. Thank you. So rest aside. So please, my sister Lolo or my noise maker, because we are not presenter, I'm not getting to one of the presenter for trouble. Call noise maker, not be by force. Avion mama sa viku. Avion mama sa viku no manoro da you know ikunoro bonwe kwa. Yes. Ayena have say less you must say. You want must say. You must say ni eme. You must say ni gbame. You must say no wa woman. You must say no any at you. So if the ones where you get na the one will be say any small thing where you talk, they'll go the right nonsense, go the trust you for Facebook. Feel aqua and move on with your life. I didn't me talking myself, I don't give a damn. No I think me what that was. No mama we no be yokbi we yare never do ro boy yo ro we ne ya rure kwa ge ya rure kwa rure se no se we ka rure go se we ba no ka rure wa rure gbe kwa na ga me ba wa rure gbe kwa wa me ba wa na ya gbe bog yo we and so no be na be say we kon hear me was na ni wa no we don't hear everything even the one wanna say me person no hear na hear am and so what happen what do come the nyanya eye for you Hi, the thing is, thank you. It is not quantity, it is quality. Come on, the quantity way there. Keep the quality ones. Keep the quality ones. If they want to stay, they don't want to stay, let them go. Let them go. Now you have to accept it. Now you have to instigate a trouble between this side and this side. I'm not the way what's going to happen. Hey, asunu ne. No, kabiesi o ade kawo o seti ne o kawo ne no pa we was mo no pa my God of vengeance, oh God of vengeance, cascade them. Those who want scatter me, kill them. Those who want killing me, pursue them. Those who want pursue me, nobody they pursue you. Now if someone go where they pack they go, now they pursue you. I want men who have you, and people not dead men. I want to go the go jamo go who have you. Now then they pursue you. Nobody they pursue you. Viewers are only enjoying the movie. They only enjoy the reggae. They only enjoy the saga. They enjoy on a madness. They feel and they enjoy. Especially this COVID-19, everybody they inside house. If I'm not getting it to present a view, una must mad before viewers go complete. Of course now. Now people what they follow una, and then they set fight for una. Nobody they set fight for una. Nobody want to see una they fight. Nobody wish una to fight. Now I want that you wanna pack. Now then they set fight for una. This one go here for this side, go carry account this side. This one go here for this side, go carry account this side. This one go here like this, go put her for the other side. Now then they set fight for una. Nobody. This one go use money one do and pass, make for cause fight for the other side. Then they sell fight for una. Nobody want me una they fight because una fight not the Swiss for una dirty fight. Now just let's fight. Now fight what single mother go here go no single girl go here go no one go husband house. Una fight they bring disgrace to women where they husband house. I don't know. Now it's just once the one we go feed the one we go feed do what you wanna go feed do. Now they clap hand for una say nothing the apple continue. The reasonable one where you get brain. I know say that the town and say rest for this matter, my sister. You don't do rest, you don't do. But the idiot ones, I mean, no we baba fire. Oh yeah, no, but we can carry any yakwe. Now then they set fire, and then they spend money pass. I beg you. I beg. Me I not get area where I do. As I dey like this, na so I dey. Me I no dey use anybody matter to dey rob me. The one will rob me like this, why they use it, they okay. Mona carry una cross. Mona pardon una canoe. If una mention my name for una matter again, where I know say no concern, I not go take am lightly. Because this matter where they grant, I not get any area where it take concern me. Sam. If your supporters they talk through, they'll tell you say this matter not get any area where it take concern stainless. You know yes, any other talk and say stainless get your audio. Where you can't wait 24 hours, you know hear that from my mouth. You not get any area where it take concern me. They don't even write my name, join. I know they go the cats. Now that's I dey lobo mugu. I know they anywhere. I dey my day. I know they fight for position. I know they fight for class. I know they fight for anywhere. I know they fight for connection. I sit down. Wanna let me do. I'm not going to they say for Facebook. I'm not going to I shade. Wanna let me do. Keep me away from your gutter mat, Monica. Make me and you not. Me I not they come here, come the ranting source for your head. So that respect where they find go gum you. If you not find me, I know will find you. But if you feel say me, say yaki or go me, as you the way they talk and say, tomato my own, yaki or go me, say let's say, yaki or go me, now you did. I say me, you get problem. What I get with you? What can we? Me give you no ya wekia. Me give you no ya wekia. Me give you. Oh, no, your telephone, ya heavy for a couple of months, my beg the few 2 weeks you have to 2 weeks vacancy, 2 weeks holiday. My planning when the money to go spend the weekend of back. Una ya in your way, you say, matter in my one no that time when we have your mobile. Men we no one again, Monica. Go work a lot on network, but whatever time the Facebook where if you any smart way if you do, you say best of the same fender. I remember when you were calling me and if you're best of the same fender. I remember when you go say if you go and meet your friend, say let's go and meet your friend. This one go and meet your friend. I remember when you were calling the both of us best of the same feathers. Why now I can't treat my fellow best? You can't talk and say you can't take and say na batting. And the teacher say see where they fly, put fly follow you because we are best of the same feather. That is how you name it years ago. Before we can do a near down working when I do the that is how you name it years ago. Before I can do a near power carry. What matter what power carry? What matter again in your girl with a new beer? Eh? So now later when I come no so na be the self no come even the self fender where you describe. No come be the best of the self fender, na come be the same generation, the same lineage. We must betray there. Oyaza money abe Gucci abe Louis Vuitton. The Louis Vuitton abe we eto be record there. Vera we eto record there. Abe shifi no vio rien ti abe record there. Then no give me. What it may betray ya, what I would betray ya do. When a betrayer ya a good news, you will broadcast it. That in your way of getting a second general, ya make Bella, and anyway, in your way can again with the Bahama. I mean, no, we are master here with the Bahama. Ya make Bella. I said, if we want to get out because it's here the Bahama. Why, we are not going to back bay? What can I come one night? No woman who was here. When I hear say I get group. Now, my yes, I get social media group or social media together. Ogalo lokpate when you get better way they offer there. You get better when you allow or better way you corner rejecting it. And I so that would be many group. Many measurable. I think we do not you are making what can why? What back me? Mona say when me am about what my godfather because we are now who were or who were or when no matter whether be man or be woman, I never was my mocking. Godfather, you want to learn where we are here. Do one learn where Morocco, any I go tie you go for that your romo head. If you not carry a come out for my matter. I go use that your head take roll igbo. If you not carry your head come out for my matter, Godfather. I go use that your head take roll poly. Stay away from me. Wala me. I have nothing to do with this matter. A case of when you have degwe baby, or what baby you getting a degwe baby. What more than Katie? What who walk better you? Not be a pussy breaker. Huh? What can we? Or say, but me what meeting? When of you who? It be a reagon. When not the make me Godfather. Who do you over? I walk man. I have a Facebook now. As far as I know, say you did my matter where you hack my page. You will never know peace in this place, in this media. I bet you. Go carry my matter, give anything where you know. You don't get peace for this media. Better. You don't get peace. You two want to bet me. You don't get peace. Let me tell you. You see that your head, I go roll it ball top. You see that your head, I go roll it ball top. You don't get peace. I swear down to Jesus Christ. I will be Godfather. Who will get me made? Because Kimeku work by your Boshomole. I will not be Banuwe. You will not say not be me. Wow, who not bue. Who not wagwe. Who not wagwe. Who baba. Who kuta. Waki azekme. Wale de gbeso bobe kume. Nu waga koja not very won Godfather. Try that nonsense with me again. Who is working? You know you who you scatter. What beleg boy yegbe? I know this everywhere mama to where you scatter with your head though. Stay away. Stay away from me. The grace, one luxurious, one romo, one berere. Aya we anya yinyo biage what if we mu? Awo kan wa bi akwa na ware position at that fear. Abi sama gwan wa view you wa. Stay away from me. Otherwise I go share out to anything we get to for your ass. In the year. Otherwise I go share and give anything we get to for your house. Shifts. Pussy breaker. I beg. For this season, na here a day. You see this place? Na here a day. Na here me I go dey do am. You see this junction? Na here I sit down. Tell anybody where they find say I dey here. I sit down here. I am there. Are you there? Me I dey here. Ina poala. Una de kres. Ina poala. Uwe mi sala mwa. Ni igbo ta. Eni vi gbo ye do tie kia. Wa salwa bi baba. Crocodile people. We not beg Godfather. And I have a position to do my con. We do a zet in the platform. You are a popcorn. I be wanna go relax. Wanna go relax. Let me say go shit. Ejema don't cook. May I go eat because I was cooking me this time around. Yeah, we bella one line here. One line what they marry. No understand. Wanna go relax. Wanna tell these people make they come on my mouth for me. They come on my name for their matter. Because I know they their own. And the catfish is big. But say made by catfish. It made by shark fish. It made by whale. It made by dogfish. A good fish in essa young woman. I'm not going to your big by your wa. Jesus Christ. When I want position me na wagi man I. When I go to fish and the pepper soup there. We will not quit me. Then I want to your big baby webunai. Will not quit me night. Mona put me for where I did. Mona balance me for area where I sit down. I not get where I did. I why you say bono. Why you call? Ya ve you call me we very wase. But mana can we get can. Okay, yako we was like man I come away go say less go. Kuwa ke mani de tin we net nenu wa moti yan fi eke gbo wa gbon. No sa lo bo wa kin wa gian. No sa lo bo kin gian, no sa lo bo wa kin wa. O sa lo bo dan wa ti no kin ogun wa so no kin ogun wa fan. No kin ogun wa via yore. O so sa lo bo nu wa ti e be wa ga wo ko. O sa lo bo ri kan ruwa o. Wanna stay away. Because I just wa him no wa him e ma ka ho ene. Wanna deal with. Wanna leave me o. I rest my case for the now. Love you guys. One love. All the boy behind the house. I bet. Cheers, bro. Ambrose, cheers. Ambrose Ayala, aka Monica husband. Cheers, man. Boom, bokla. Tell your wife, may wash it to give you me a lick and wear. May carry grability that type for you. You dey feel so? Ambrose, tell your wife, may carry grability that type for you. Stay away. Back off. Not be as they look at before. The matter don't change reggae. Anyhow, when I know where people take they look me. I'm a normal or someone not coin. Back off. Why a fool? Why ho? My bad by my love.